Hi, I'm Jeff Clark, Senior Lender with Live Oak Bank's Craft Beverage Group. We specialize in lending money to distilleries, wineries, and breweries. So there are several different types of capital available to a beverage producer. One would be equity. That's where you bring in somebody and they provide cash or something in that value in kind. Maybe it's equipment, maybe it's sales and marketing, maybe it's brands. Now, equity is your most expensive form of capital. Now, why is that? Because you're giving away ownership. That means you're giving away future profits. Your next, but equity is usually the only thing available to a startup company because you're not cash flowing and banks require cash flow. The next type of capital would be what we call hard money, or just very expensive interest rates where they say, hey, look, you're not cash flowing and there's a good chance you'll default on this loan. So we need to earn, sometimes double-digit interest rates in this low interest rate environment. The third asset category would be an SBA loan or possibly USDA loan. And what that is a conventional lender, which would be your fourth type of capital. A conventional lender wants to see you cash flowing for 2 or 3 years because they need to say, hey, this is sustainable. This will continue. Now, why is that 2 or 3 years? Because on a bank, you have to be right on 99% of your loans. Because if you lose 1% or greater of your loans, there's a good chance you'll go out of business or the regulators will force you to be purchased by somebody else. The SBA and USDA guarantees allow a bank to take more risk. You can get a guarantee of 75% up to 90% if you export on that loan. So if you think about this, the bank has a $5 million conventional loan. What's their exposure? $5 million. If I have a spirits producer that exports, I can get a 90% guarantee. So that guarantees 4.5 out of that 5 million. So my exposure goes from 5 million down to 500,000. That gives me a lot more comfort and more margin for error. Well, I want to thank Emily and Park Street University for giving me this opportunity to speak to everybody. I hope you found something of value here. These are challenging times. Don't feel like you're alone and don't feel like you have to go it alone. We're available to help in any way we can, even if it's just to review your financials with you and give you ideas of what might be available. You can find me on the liveoakbank.com website under the Wine and Craft Beverage tab or link. Or you can, there's a lot of ways to get a hold of me. I'm on LinkedIn, but yeah, reach out. I'll do whatever I can to help. And we, again, appreciate the chance to talk to you.